Guys, comment condition with us. So, nakayo mo namin sa ham. So, mama siya ipagwapa. Then, makeup. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Very slow.
Next makeup. Check. Anak tuh, punya pisik-pisik kayak. Ano bang pisik-pisik kayak? Pisik-pisik kayak. Happy song.
Sorry, I cannot hear you. Sorry, I can't.
Wala ako. Ay, hindi pa lang. Oh, yeah. Ay, hindi pa lang kada ako. Why? Oh my god, why can you not hear me? You can even see what I'm wearing now. You can see what I'm wearing now. Go away, why are you?
One, two, three.
It's barely brighter than I thought.
I'll do this because. Wait lang, guys.